Hello beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. Today we have this beautiful trending haircut that suits equally well both younger and older women.
Are you sure? You sure? I'm coming. Oh
This is a style that you really need to style your hair every day because it's certainly worth the effort. And one thing about today's style is that it is a haircut that will naturally look best, when you style it like this. As you can see that the best way to make it look beautiful is using those beautiful coil creams for those added definition. I love this style because it's a great option for women who prefer to be able to put their hair together. It's a style you can wear for work, you can wear for an exercise, or for that casual occasion. It's a haircut that for women that are really trying a new cut, or those that want to go for the big job. It's a style they really need to try because you can see how it really looks good. It looks so modern and gorgeous. So today's haircut is a style that you can try whether you have the natural gray or you have the salt and pepper haircut. It's a style that is so utterly liberating because you can see how beautiful women these days, especially over 40, 50, 60 and above, are really obsessed for this choice because it's a good modern cut, and it's what makes it a beautiful statement look. So just try to give your hair this beautiful style that will always make you look so younger and sexy, and it's a style that will make you even look more slimmer. Try this cut and let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below, because mark my word, you will always come out looking so flattering and people out there will really compliment your short hair. I want to appreciate my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Look, when it's time for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way, thank you guys. God bless you.